It's your girl Shawnee, and guess what? We back with another one. We back with another one. Guys, I'm so excited. Guess what today is? Guess what day it is? It's my birthday! Go Shawnee, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. Drop it down if it's your birthday. Drop it low if it's your birthday. Hey, I'm all excited, but by the time I post this video, it ain't gonna be my birthday no more. But if you know me personally, you know I celebrate my birthday for a whole month. Okay, so from June 28th to July 28th. But since we're having a quarantine special, it's getting pushed back to August 28th. So I'm sorry to all my friends, family that may have a birthday in between that time frame. I'm sorry for ya, because your girl is celebrating for 2 months. You hear me? So with that being said, this right here is my birthday look. Cute. Yes, I kind of had my birthday makeup like this last year, so I decided to revamp it and put a little oomph on it, put a little stank on it. I'm gonna post a picture of it right here. You can see how I just kind of added something to it, put a little funk on it. But you guys, I'm super excited. It's my birthday. I'm gonna enjoy my day, even though we're in quarantine and we can't really get down the way we want to get down. I'm still gonna have a good time because I am blessed. You hear me? I am blessed. So without further ado, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. And if you family and you've been subscribed to this channel, hey, what's up? But anyway, make sure you guys follow me on all social media platforms. If you're not, I'm gonna go ahead and put my name on the screen up here, and we're gonna get right into this, guys. I love you. Peace. All right now, so you guys, I am going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows as usual. Now, if you guys frequent my channel a lot, you know I usually go underneath my eyebrow using a lighter concealer, most likely my Pure Beige, but I decided to keep it with the Fawn because I didn't want that brow bone to be too bright. So I just stayed with the Fawn concealer and just cleaned up underneath my eyebrow. Now I'm just taking a brush and just blending out that concealer. And just a sponge as well, getting it nice and smooth. Now I'm just going in with my Sahara 2 palette from Juvia's Place in the color Taza, and this is acting as a transition color. And you just tap it on, and then once you get all the color on, you go ahead and just blend it out. Now I'm going with that same palette, but I'm using the color Zora, and I love this color, you guys. This is probably my favorite color in the Juvia's Place palettes. I just love this deep burgundy color. But I just put that right underneath that Taza color, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap it in. And then once I tap it in, I'm going to blend it out. And then I took a fluffy blending brush and with some more of that Taza and just blended those two colors together into the brow bone until I was satisfied. And now I'm just going in with my P. Louise in the color 1, or I should say number 1. So it's like an off-white, and we're just gonna cut that crease. And I took this crease up very high, you guys. I wanted a dramatic look, so I took it up very high. And I did not clean the crease like I usually do with the micellar cleansing water. I just went ahead and put it right over that. It doesn't really hurt because I was going over with that gold color, so it wouldn't bother it if I didn't clean the crease area. Or should I say, it wouldn't change the color if I didn't clean that crease area. But I just went in and colored that in, or filled that in, I should say. What am I, like 7 coloring it in? And I just took a brush and just kind of blend that out. Now I'm going back in with that burgundy Zora color and bringing it into the crease using a blending brush. And I'm just partially bringing it into the crease. And then I just took my MAC setting spray and I wet my eyeshadow brush to pick up that gold color, which is from the Warrior palette, and that is the color Bakwa. And that just, by wetting the brush, it makes that color just pop more. So that's what I did, and I just packed that color on until I got to the desired look. And I'm going to bring it into that Zora color. And once I get it all together, I'm going to just blend those two together using a blending brush. And you just keep going over that area until you're satisfied with how that looks. And you guys, for this step, I'm going in with the NYX glitter primer. Now there's 2 ways you could have done this. You could have cut the crease using the micellar cleansing water and then put the primer on, or you can go over directly like I did. If I were to do it again, I would cut it because it makes for a more precise, you'll have pretty much an outline of where you want that wing to be. But I just went ahead because I was being lazy and did it right over my eyeshadow. And then once you do that, I started at the back of the wing because I didn't want that primer to dry out. I placed the glitter on, and then I went ahead to the front of the wing, the first half of the wing, and then placed the glitter on top of that. And the glitter I'm using, you guys, comes from Amazon. It was a pack of 12 glitters, and I'll go ahead and just leave the link below so you guys can check that out if you're interested. And you just go ahead and put that glitter on. Make sure to keep that glitter within the lines because we want it to look sharp. And now I'm just going in with a black eyeliner and putting it on the waterline. And I did bring it down a little bit below the line because I wanted to smudge it out. And then I just went in with that Zora color, that burgundy color, and just smudged out that line. And now I'm just going ahead and putting some mascara on my bottom lashes. I really wanted them to pop more than usual because of the lashes that I'm going to be, the false lashes I'm going to be putting on. I didn't really want them to overpower my face, so I went ahead and just put on some mascara for the bottom lashes. If I had a better mascara, I would have used that because this is not really making it pop. Now I'm going in with my Sumptuous Beauty eyelashes in the style Hollywood. You guys, if you're interested in this, I do have a promo code, Simply Shawny 10. I'm going to leave that on the screen as well as down below in the description box. So if you're interested in that and you want to get a little discount, go ahead and check them out. But I just love these dramatic lashes. Now I'm just going on and move it. I move to my face and I just prime my face as usual using my e.l.f. Luminous Matte Primer. And I'm using by Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation in the color Nairobi. And then my Nourishing Face Oil by e.l.f. And we'll start to just blend that foundation out. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey, and we're just doing our highlight. You're just going to blend that out. Blending up into your hairline. And I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Dark Cocoa for the contour. We just want to get that face snatched. And we're going to go ahead and blend that out. Now you guys, when I was doing this, I used a little bit too much, so you'll see later that my sponge changes, and I'll go back in with the sponge that I used to do my highlight to kind of correct where I went. You see right here is where I was like, ooh, this is just too much, so I had to go in and correct it. I didn't put any more of that highlight color on the sponge. I just used what was ever left on the sponge and went in and corrected those areas. And that's right there where I went in with that and just kind of took that away. Alrighty, and now I'm just going in with my powder contour and just deepening that contour. And that's my Sleek palette in the color Dark. And I'm going in and just contouring my nose with that same powder, and I just using a blending brush and just lightly, because if you go in too heavy-handed, it'll just look like you had a marker on your nose, like you just took a marker to your nose. So you want to go light-handed. And then I'm using the highlight from that same palette. I'm just getting my nose there and on top of my lip. Then I'll just go in with the fan brush and get my cheekbones and my forehead. And then I just took a spoolie to my eyebrows to give that fading look for a more natural look. And now I'm just going in with a brown liner. Hindsight, I probably wouldn't use a brown liner, but I wanted to try something. And see, you live and you learn. You try. Sometimes you try things and it works out and you've created something new. And sometimes you're just like, yeah, nah, I shouldn't have did that. And that was one of those times. And now I'm just going in with my ColourPop Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Avenue. It's just a pretty burgundy color. But I would have went in with, if I were to do it again, the same color liner. And that's it. This is a finished look. I just let my hair down and we're all good to go. If I had somewhere to go, I'd be going there to celebrate my birthday. And I just do want to give a shout out to all my Cancers, all my June babies. I wish you guys a happy birthday. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as you can during this quarantine. And that's me singing to you. Peace out. Love you guys. Bye.